To our Garrett family, this week we want to honor you and share our gratitude for the impact you've had on millions of students over the past 20 years. My name is Emily, and I am the Director of Government Relations at NCEP. I am a Gear Up alum, and look at how far I've come. Because of my Gear Up coordinators, I am advocating in our nation's capital for over 500,000 Gear Up students nationwide. The love, support, and connection you've shared with students like me impacted us in ways that changed our lives forever.
Hello, my name is Abraham Rodriguez from Wichita, Kansas. I am a proud alumni of Kansas Kids at Gear Up.
Hi, my name is Liza Marie Coralton, and I am a proud Gear Up alum from Kaimuki High School in Honolulu, Hawaii.
Hi, my name is Darius Spurlock, and I'm a proud Gear Up alum. I'm coming to you from the Louisiana Gear Up program located in Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Hi, my name is Harold Burdett, and I'm a proud Gear Up alum out of Berea College in Berea, Kentucky.
Hi, my name is Caitlin, and I'm an alum from Oregon Gear Up and Lapine High School, class of 2014.
Hi, my name is Mark Anthony Figueroa, and I'm a proud Gear Up alumni from Washington State.
As a student, Gear Up gave me and my classmates the tools and support we may not have otherwise received in order to be successful in the classroom and also to discover and pursue our dreams.
My mentors with Gear Up demystified the college planning process for me, showed me all the ways to build a strong high school resume, allowing me to better market myself to all the colleges that I was interested in.
It's my sophomore year in high school when I was given the opportunity to go to a leadership conference in San Francisco with Gear Up. And I know that was also really instrumental in me figuring out what kind of leader I could be.
The support and connections I cultivated while in Gear Up helped me discover a world of resources to help me navigate the college-going process.
It was here that I was able to see with my own eyes the endless opportunities and resources available. It also connected.
Because of the support I received as a Gear Up student, I was able to become a first-generation college graduate, which in turn has afforded me the opportunity to pay it forward by providing the same support I received as a student to students and families.
Now, I am a first-year communications graduate student at the University of Hawaii at Manoa because of the support I had from Gear Up.
I believe that Gear Up also really shaped the way that I see access to opportunity. It made me think about social and economic inequality. What are they, where do they come from, and how can we start to solve for them? So I studied these topics, among other things, at universities like the London School of Economics and Political Science and Oxford University, and I work at places like the United Nations and other international organizations.
Today, I work as a Gear Up analyst on the Gear Up Nashville team with Metro Nashville Public Schools.
Currently, I am pursuing a master's degree in theology, something that I would have never dreamt possible if it wasn't for the resources and the Gear Up staff.
Now, I am currently a college access practitioner working for the same Gear Up program that assisted me with matriculating through high school and college.
And now I'm in IT, helping our business go through a digital transformation, and it's just what an exciting opportunity. And I look back and I'm just so grateful that Gear Up was part of making that a reality.
Gear Up really does change the lives of students, and we won't forget to pay it forward.
Take a moment to think of a Gear Up alumni or student that you know. Their story, along with the ones you just heard, are the fuel that keeps the Gear Up movement going. As a fellow Gear Up alumni, I applaud them for sharing their story. I also applaud each of you. If Gear Up alumni and students are the fuel that keeps our movement going, then you, Gear Up professional, are the vehicle that guides the journey. Without people like you, people like me would have a hard time finding the way. My name is Katie Hill, and I'm the Associate Director of Strategic Initiatives at NCEP. I've been with the Gear Up family for 21 years now. Whether you've been around as long as me or you're just joining us, I hope you stick around as we learn, grow, and share our stories. Celebrate your Gear Up hero by nominating them for a Gear Up Leadership Award. We'll celebrate their stories and yours at this summer's annual conference in Washington, D.C. Thank you for joining us these last 3 days, and thank you from the bottom of my heart for all that you do.